Hey everybody, welcome to today's video. We're unlocking the secrets of digital sales rooms. If you want to revolutionize your sales strategy, keep watching. But before we dive in, hit that like button, subscribe for more insights, and comment your thoughts below. And stay tuned for a game-changing tip towards the end. Did you know Gartner predicts digital sales rooms are where 1/3 of sales deals are going to take place in 2026? Rather than the old school way of scattering information across dozens of email threads, various platforms or channels, and sending endless attachments and links, with digital sales rooms, sales teams can now share the most recent relevant resources with the buyers in a way that both sales organizations and the buying team loves. Well, it allows buyer champions to more easily promote the project and vendor internally. It allows buying groups to easily self-serve, dramatically reducing buying friction, and enhance the probability of sealing the deal. Okay, but how does it tackle the buying journey issues? Stick around to find out. From mutual action plans to real-time collaboration, these rooms are digital powerhouses. Key stakeholders can assign tasks, update timelines, ensuring a transparent and accountable process. With this, deals progress swiftly and efficiently. Who doesn't want that? Now, imagine influencing your sales process with insights into buyer interactions. Digital sales rooms gives you that edge. It helps you understand your prospects even when you're not in the room. It's more than a tool, it's a comprehensive strategy. Are you finding this helpful? Remember to like and subscribe for more. Ready to jump in? Starting a platform like Align, you can transform your sales approach. We'll show you a quick demo, so keep watching. Digital sales rooms enrich every step of the sales cycle, from lead development to securing the best deals. They provide unparalleled efficiency and engagement. They're not just rooms, they're ecosystems for success. Okay. But what about the practical benefits for sales reps? The answer is coming up. Sales reps gain immensely from these digital spaces. Tailored buyer experiences, multi-threading relationship building, and real-time insights leads to faster, more effective sales processes. To maximize your digital sales room, remember, keep your prospects engaged, focus on key areas of interest, and expand your network. It's about creating a compelling, personalized journey for each stakeholder. The future of B2B sales is digital, and digital sales rooms are at the forefront. Want to see Alliance Digital Sales Room in action? Check out the link in the description. Remember, the future is now and it's digital. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. See you in the next video.